Okay, so now we're fixing to get to the good stuff. We're about to start graphing lines, but before we can start graphing lines, there's a couple of things I want to review with you. The first thing is identifying the important parts that we need in order to graph. So the first thing that we need is the slope. The second thing that we need is what's called the y-intercept. And the y-intercept is where the line touches the y-axis. Now, sometimes this is easy to get because we give you the equation. If we have the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, then all we have to do is use the numbers that are already there in the equation and graph it. Sometimes, though, it's not written in the correct format and we have to do a little manipulating first before we can go and graph it. This is the easiest way to graph a line, is to use the slope-intercept form, okay? Besides the t-table. T-table is pretty good, but it's time-consuming. This takes way less time than making a t-table and plugging in values and all of that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make sure our equation is in y equals mx plus b. Then we're going to identify the parts that we need. M is our slope. Remember, what does slope mean? Slope means move, okay? Rise over run. It's going to be either a fraction or it's going to be a number over 1, something like that. And where is that number located? It's the coefficient in front of the x in the equation. The other important number that we need is what's b, the y-intercept. Now, what is that usually? In the equation, that's going to be your constant, the number that has no letters behind it or attached to it. Okay, so come to the board and I'm going to work these couple of equations out for you, and we're going to just identify our slope and our y-intercept.